Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use Loom. I hope you're ready. Okay, so first of all, what you need is to have your presentation ready or whatever you want to share with your students, okay? So I'm going to use a screencast to record because I cannot use Loom to share how to use Loom. Okay, so first you have to go for a new, like I said before, first you have to have your documents ready. Okay, so imagine that I'm going to use this presentation, I'm going to use also YouTube, okay? And later, for the other window that you have to have open is the one that says Loom.com, okay? Okay, so here you're going to get Loom for free or contact sales or sign in. Like you already know, I really like sign in. So sign up for free if it's your first time, and or sign in by just using automatically your email. Okay, if you click here, it's going to say that you don't have an account. So that is very fast to create it. It's like this. So when you're done, it's going to appear to you something like this. Okay, this is like your home. Okay. So, and it's going to appear to all the videos that you have created. Also, it's going to give you an option for Google. Okay, in this case, it's going to say Loom for Chrome. Okay, so that's why, because you have one of these. Okay, like this puzzle. Okay, so what you're going to do is that what are you going to present here in your presentation? So you go here. Because automatically it's going to appear to you, just say yes because it's faster. So you just go here, you don't have to go and open and no. You go here and click what says Loom for Chrome. Okay, here it's going to appear to you the icon. Okay, and here you have three options. Okay, the screen and camera, the screen only, or your camera only. Okay, you have these three options. Here is not going to appear to me the screen and camera at the same time because I am using my camera to share with you using screencast. So it's going to appear to me only my screen. Okay, because this is the photo that I have there. Okay, or if you want to, only your camera. If you want to record only something that you want to see. Okay. Then you have these two options, okay, that's full desktop or current tab. I recommend full desktop. I'm going to show you why. Make sure about your microphone, the one that I'm using, okay? You can test if you want to, okay? And that's it. So you can go here to start recording, okay? So when you start recording, it's going to appear to you three options: your whole screen, a window, or a window from Chrome. In this case, I recommend the whole screen, like I said before. Why? Because I'm sorry, no, pestaña de Chrome, because it says that you have everything of this open. So you're going to appear and make sure that that's the one that you're going to show. You wait for a couple of seconds, 3 seconds, and it's going to tell you when it's going to start recording. Okay, so here, as you can see here, here it's going to appear to you like your camera, if you have your camera, or if you don't want to, you can just click X. Here, if you want to hide the menu, X if you want to cancel the recording, if you want to pause the recording, or you want to finish the recording, it's ready. Okay, and here the time that you're taking to record. In this case, if you pause it, that's fine, and then you can continue. Just make sure that you don't move because it's going to appear that you move, right? It's going to be weird. Okay. And something that I recommend is that you have all your the things, the pages that you want to share with your students. Please have them open. Why? Because it takes a time, like seconds, yes, but it takes time in order to open the link that you have on your presentations, for example. Okay. Yes. Something that I like when you record is that when you click presentar, it appears like this. Okay. And you just move with your mouse if you want to. And also, if you want to go for, like I said before, I want to share it, you have to go and click this one, compartir esta pestaña, and it's going to share this one. Okay. You have two options. You can share it like I shared before, or you can pause it, go to the window that you want to share, start sharing, and when this like blue rectangle stop moving, you can continue. Okay. Yes. So this is like, I prefer Loom. I really prefer Loom. I don't know why, but I share with you why, the reasons why. So I really like it. And when you are done, for example, here I click finish. I took 147 seconds. It's going to appear to you automatically the presentation. Okay. Yes. So it's going to take the name of the tools that you use. In this case, because you share multiple expectations presentation. If you want to, you can keep the name, or you can erase it and change it. Okay. So when you can see here is, you can see if your student, how many views did your video had. If you want to share it, how would you like to share it? Okay. You can add the emails, or you can share the link, or whatever you want to, how would you like to share it. Or if you want to copy a link, just go here, click on this icon, copy link, and then just share it. For more actions, you can go and share it like I shared before. You can move it if you want to have like different where you want to, if you want to organize your room, like university videos, school videos, something like that. Or if you have different classes, like 7th grade videos, 8th grade videos, or social studies, math videos, you start creating your folders. Okay. Start if you think that this one is one of the past videos. You want to duplicate it, and then you can like edit your video if you want to. Also, when your video is ready, it's going to appear to you that you can download it. Okay, or if you want to delete it. If you want to search for a video that you don't remember the name, and here it's going to appear to you if someone reacted to a video. It's going to appear to you which video was it, and the time that he clicked on the emoji that is here. Okay, so this is how it's going to appear to your students. I'm going to show you. I'm going to sign out so I can share with you how it's going to appear to your students. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's going to appear to you. So in this case, the students can, if you want to make sure that the students watch it, you have two options. One, that they have to react to one emoji, using one emoji, or they can comment. Okay, picture. I don't know. Or nice video. Okay, and if you want to enter their name, or they can, and as you can see, it's going to appear to the time and date. So comment. Okay, or if you want to, you can use an emoji. Let's use this one. So if I go back here, wait a second because I have to log in again, because I log out. Yes, so I have this one, and as you can see here, in this guy, here, so here it says that Amy commented. I got it. Okay, so on which video? This one. Okay, so I hope you like it and you can use it for this year if you're still teaching, or for next year. It doesn't matter for what do you use it. It's to record, to practice a class if you want to, but I really prefer. Please try to do it, try to use it, and let me know in the